guys, welcome back to another vlog. We're on our way to New Orleans for vacation.
May I have your attention,
Stay tuned for a lot of fun clips. I just got on a cute Mackie dress and taking my juju chews so my stomach won't be like set. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now, see you guys posted.
Use the right two lanes to take exit. In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Right, room tour. And then here's like a little closet where you store your stuff. Louisiana does. It rains. This is the sweet part of our room. So if we wanted to have some guests, which is no guests because it's just us, then that's what you would do. The coffee bar, tea, the mini fridge, okay. Then we got the microwave, which is clutch because you know you're going to need your leftovers. Louisiana always give you a whole bunch of food, so you always got a ton of leftovers. Places that have desk setups. This is cute. I don't know why my lighting is changing colors again, but whatever. Big mirror. We're on Bourbon Street, y'all. Had one too many on our vacation. How you feel, babe?
Great.
Great?
Yes.
Are you enjoying your trip?
Yes, I am.
And it's hot. It's hot, hot. But the thing is, this is not raining, so I'm just outside, no kids, we chilling, having a great time on our vacation. So yeah, there's no place like NOLA. I love NOLA. Huh? I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I am on day 2 in New Orleans, as they say, and it's a little rainy today. I'm gonna show y'all. See how it's raining a little bit, nothing crazy though. Gonna head out so we can get some beignets and just do a little bit more touring and things like that. We've been having a really good time, enjoying each other. Didn't really get a chance to vlog everything because I basically wanted to just live in the moment. So I'll input some clips of what I did get to show for day 1. But overall it was fun. My friend was here, so we ended up hanging out with her and her boyfriend. So it was a good time. It's been a good time. I'm really enjoying it. My husband is really having a great time, which makes me happy because I'm glad to see that, you know, we can enjoy the time together without any children. So I'm going to, as I mentioned, try to get more footage today. We go to dinner later, so that's going to be nice and fun. I'll keep you guys posted.
I thought it was camping type stuff.
They have, that's what I'm saying, they have stuff for different genres of stuff.
Yeah.
She said that? Y'all, but this is blue crab, shrimp, a whole nine. Can't wait. Smash my gumbo. I got a margarita. Y'all cannot believe that I'm just now unpacking. These are my kids' clothes. I honestly forgot that it was in my husband's car. So I gotta take this all out, wash their clothes. You know the drill. You know the vibe. So what I like to do is always use packing cubes because it just makes it so much easier. So each kid has a packing cube. This is mine, but because it's the biggest one, but each of the boys have their own packing cube. So that way all of their outfits can be in here. And these are all dirty clothes. So the rest of the clean clothes that they wore stays in the packing cubes, and that's how it makes my unpacking seamless. If you are traveling with kids and it's like a rainy season, or you know, with the fall being here, get one of these. These are like a weather shield, and it covers your stroller. And this is for my double stroller, so that way the kids don't get wet, anything like that, and they're covered in the rain. A few other like packing tips for traveling with kids. Let me know if y'all want a video on it. Comment below. So yeah, like I said, like this is for my smallest baby, Zayden. This is his stuff in here. Yes, they are using my pink packing cubes, and keep one of these bags in here. Basically, it's a duffel bag. Let me show y'all. And all the way out. And it's foldable. And what I like about it, goes over your suitcase. So it just goes above the handles. And you got a duffel bag, a 2-for-1. So this stays inside of my luggage at all times. You know, if you go shopping or anything, you might want to bring stuff back. But yeah, these kids were out of control with the clothes. I always pack so much, especially with these toddler babies. And what I also like to travel with is an extension cord. The reason why is because all your devices, you got to think, you got AirPods, you got laptops, iPads, computers, everything. So, you know, having kids, they have their devices too. So that helps save room inside the hotel room. Because, you know, their plugs are pretty limited, honestly. So that allows them to me to charge more devices, and it's easier and compact just to fit inside of my luggage. So I'm going to unpack this. I'll be back in a second. I'm going to show you my travel essentials that I take every time when I'm flying. I travel a lot, so I just want to share what I take. First thing is room spray, portable speaker, deodorant, face wash. I like this wrinkle eraser in case you get a little wrinkled on the go. Followed up Tide to Go wipes, eraser, lotion. Can't be ashy. I like these foldable toothbrushes. This is way more sanitary. Then you know you need your toothpaste. Spray hand sanitizer. Love that. Nail glue in case you break a nail. Contacts. Contact solution. Pressing cone. Plug-in pressing cone. A mini Baby Bliss flat iron. Band-aids just in case. There's go-to travel fragrance. Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede. I love it. Go pick it up. Makeup remover wipes. AirPods, of course. Passport. Lysol disinfectant spray, of course, because everything in that hotel is getting sanitized. Bold Hold liquid gold to hold down my lace. Body wash. Okay, these are the earache relief that I got for my son. He sometimes, you know, deals with like ear pain, so I got this for him. They have really good reviews on Amazon, so I got that. And then the doctor told me he has seasonal allergies, so tablets, and it's for allergies. So that's them in the background, y'all. Just too loud for no reason. It don't even make no sense. You guys can see I'm getting the cold and flu season stuff ready, okay? Period. Another Highlands brand is Nighttime Cold and Cough. No alcohol, paraben, sugar, no sugar or dyes. It relieves congestion, runny nose, sore throat, sneezing, cough, post-nasal drip, and he suffers with that and occasional sleepiness. So it's soft and gentle, natural active ingredients, no side effects. We love that. Let's be on camera, y'all, but he will not. Okay, so now, next one. This thing is sharp. Okay, and then I got these lights that I need for outside of my house because, as you know, it's becoming fall, so I need more like floodlights and stuff. So I got more of these. Okay, thank you, son. Thank you. We gonna hang these up, okay? So I got some of those. My last package. Legend that this is way better than Tylenol or Little Remedies and things like that. So I'm going to try this out, and I'll let you guys know how it works too. But it really only has a few ingredients in it, which I really thoroughly enjoy. It's made without high fructose corn syrup, no dyes, reds, and things like that, and it's organic blueberry flavor.